Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini on WhatsApp. Gemini, Google's advanced AI assistant, now offers seamless integration with your WhatsApp application on Android devices. This means you can leverage its capabilities to streamline your messaging experience. You can initiate conversations, send messages, and even make calls using simple voice commands, making daily communication more efficient and hands-free. This integration aims to simplify how you interact with your phone's core communication functions. To activate Gemini's direct WhatsApp functionality, open the Gemini app, tap your profile picture, and navigate to Apps or Extensions in Settings. Here, you will find a toggle for WhatsApp. Ensure it is switched on. Once enabled, you can simply say, "Send a WhatsApp message to John," and Gemini will compose the message. It can also default to WhatsApp for general messaging commands if it was your most recent communication app. For businesses, Gemini AI offers powerful automation capabilities when linked with WhatsApp Business Cloud. This integration allows you to create sophisticated workflows without needing extensive coding knowledge. You can set up automated responses to customer inquiries, send personalized notifications, and manage various communication tasks. Platforms such as Make and Zapier facilitate this connection, enabling seamless data flow and enhancing customer engagement across over 400 applications. It is important to understand how Gemini manages your privacy with WhatsApp. While Gemini's access to messaging apps is often enabled by default, you retain control. You can easily disable its interaction with WhatsApp by going to the Gemini app settings, selecting Apps, and toggling off WhatsApp. Google clarifies that Gemini does not directly read or summarize your WhatsApp message history, but it may use Google Assistant or utilities for certain actions, even if Gemini app's activity is off.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.